Do you give up on losing weight because you do not see the results quick enough? I get you because I was once there. Changing behaviors and forming a new habit takes repetition, not time. The good news, I got you covered and I have a simple solution for you, so keep on watching. Rather than focusing on a habit results, focus on how it makes you feel. One of the key components in forming a new healthy habit is enjoying an immediate reward. The more instantaneous the reward, more likely you are to learn that a behavior is worth repeating in the future. Therefore, let's change how we approach losing weight so we can keep it off forever. I recently read a quote on social media whereby someone said, "Exercising to look better isn't sustainable. The daily results are too small. Therefore, let us exercise to feel better. It works every time and every day." The same can be said for nearly any habit. Please do it for the change in mood, which is instant, not the change in results, which is delayed. If you're eating healthy food to look better, the feedback is slow. If you're eating healthy food that tastes great, you have an immediate reason to keep on going. The most effective habits are the ones that you make you feel good at that moment and lead to the result you want in the long run, the long term. It's not just about the results. The feeling, right, is essential. Without it, you have no immediate reason to repeat the behavior in the future to become a habit. This way you get the instant gratification for eating healthier and exercising, so you will keep on going. As a side note, no matter how small, taking the first step can generate a sense of momentum that our brains absolutely loves. Completing the task gives us a boost in confidence, which increases the motivation to do the entire behavior, so it becomes a habit. Losing weight for the very last time, keeping off any habit by doing this, you are guaranteed it's going to change your life forever. Now, if you got great value from this video, hit the subscribe button, give it a like, give it a share, and let the whole world know and share it with somebody that needs to hear this to get the instant gratification to lose weight for the very last time and to keep it off forever. Until next time,